so this is the jam intro. We're going to start with 3 toes back, starting on our right leg. So we're going to go, and then we're going to go with our right toe behind, and then we're going to go bang, out with our 2 legs, slightly bending our knees to get the sound, so, and then we're going to go clap over our right shoulder, in with our 2 legs, clap again, keeping that arm up as we're going in, clap, and then we're going to go down with our arms and down onto our right leg, and then we're going to go bang, and we're going to do the same thing on the left leg, bang, and this time we're going to go over our left shoulder, clap, in, clap, bang, and then this time instead we're just going to end with. Then for our next 8 bars we're going to go forward and back, forward and back, and then we're going to go 1, 2, bang, clap, down, again with our M shape on our arms, clap, down, so that's twice, and then we're going to go 3 trebles back, the third one ending in a toe, and then we're going to go into our fusion hold. You bring your right leg up, catch it in your left arm, look down at your right foot, and bring your right arm up, not wobbling, right arm up like this, and hold. So that looks like, and then you go down, nice and sharp, and then you just end with, bring your arms nice and sharp.